Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing my FabFitFun that arrived yesterday, and I'm super excited to open it and share with you guys what it is that I got inside. Some items I already know that are coming because I did choose them, and some I'm not sure about, so I'm excited to share them with you guys just in case you guys are interested. If you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription box that you get 4 times a year. So you'll get it for spring, summer, winter, and fall. So you'll get one box that is themed for the season, and it's super exciting because you'll get makeup, lifestyle, food, skincare, and a few other stuff. They're all always full-size products, and it retails for $49.99, I believe. And like I said, you get it every 3 months, so it's a pretty nice subscription if you want to get things that you probably otherwise wouldn't. I got mine because my boyfriend signed up for it as a birthday present from the beginning of the year, but I signed up for the whole year. Usually if you do, you get a little bit of more access on what you can choose to get. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started because it is kind of later in the day, so I'm kind of racing against the light because I do film with natural light. I'm gonna try to get through this quickly so that we don't lose our light. So let's go ahead and get started with what I got in my box for the season of winter. And this is what the box will look like if you add things to it. They'll come separate on the top of the box. So you'll get the winter box on its own inside, and then you'll get the rest of the products that you added separately. So I'm going to show you the products that I chose as add-ons, and then we'll get into the box after. The first thing I see here is, this one is by Sherry Matthews Acupuncture, and it's a jade roller. And this is what it looks like right here. And I've heard lots of things about this. I don't know if it's all gimmicky or if it's real, but you're supposed to go like this with your skincare, and then this one's supposed to be for under your eyes, and the coldness is supposed to help circulation of the blood, and it's supposed to help with your skincare, I guess you can say. Let's see what it says. Use daily for 2 minutes after moisturizing. Gently roll in an upward directions around face, neck, and under the eye for extra treat. Pop in the fridge for extra cooling effect. So it's supposed to help stimulate cute eye energy and to promote a feeling of facial relaxation and general well-being. So that's what this is supposed to do. So when I saw it as an option to add on, I wanted it because I wanted to try it and see if it actually works or not. The other one I picked up, it's by No BS, and it's their retinol night cream, and it has aloe vera, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid. And I've heard lots of good things about this brand, so I wanted to try it out. And it's free of parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, gluten-free, and it's cruelty-free. So I thought that was pretty cool. The other item I picked up, oh, this one I got it for my boyfriend because I actually don't suffer from blemishes or anything like that, but sometimes he does, and he does have more oily skin. This one is by PitucaBeauty, and it's a blemish clearing cleanser. And I just figured it'd be good to try out and see if it works. So I got this one for him. The next this one I'm excited about. This one is by Oribe, and it's the Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. And this brand is so expensive. This one was a choice for the box, or you pay like 10 bucks and you get both. I've heard lots of good things about Oribe. I've been wanting to try their texturizing spray, but like I said, it's expensive. I want to see what it smells like. Oh, that smells really nice. So excited to try this one. I don't honestly need too much dry shampoo because my scalp doesn't get very oily, but I figure I'd give this one a try and see. The other one I got, it's the special size limited edition Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Shower Oil. I've heard really good things about this brand. Oh, it smells so good. I'm excited to try this one. Wow, that smells really nice. And this one was an add-on, I believe. And it says that it's enriched with aloe vera extract and skin smoothing conditioners. This gentle shower will leave your skin refreshed, relaxed, without drying it. Soap and rinse. And what I like about this one is that it comes with the aloe vera and all that, because I do have dry skin, and now that winter's coming, I wanted something that will help with the moisturizing of my skin. This one is so cute. So this one is a Bluetooth speaker, and it's by the brand Slow Pop. Look, Isn't this the cutest thing you guys have ever seen? It's a speaker, so it's supposed to be like a tiny little thing that you connect to your phone and it becomes a speaker, and I thought it was super cute, maybe to give as a gift or something. I thought it was super, super adorable. And then I picked up the Touch and Soul No Problem primer, and it's supposed to be a smooth and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup primer. And I picked up 2 of them because my sister wanted to try it as well, and I've heard so many good things about this one, so when I saw it as an add-on option, I instantly added it right away. And you guys will probably see it in a future like Get Ready With Me or whatever. And then they added 2 free things. One of them was the V8 and Hydrate Natural Electrolytes Coconut Watermelon Water, and it's this one right here. It was supposed to be like a free promotion. And then also for free they gave us the Barilla Pesto Creamy Ricotta and Basil, and I think this one you're supposed to be able to mix it into your like pasta or something like that, and it was free, and it's supposed to be like a new thing or something like that. So I love pasta, I love pesto, and I can put them together. So those there were the items that were either add-ons or were an option if you paid extra $10. Now let's go ahead and get into the actual FabFitFun box. Alright, so let's see what came in the box for winter. Are you guys excited? Because I'm excited. Alright, so it comes usually with a little pamphlet where it'll give you information of all the products that came inside, the prices, and a little bit of a description. And this is what the box will look like on the inside. I love the combination they did. The whole navy blue and then the green on the outside. They're so cute. The first thing I see is a little voucher for HelloFresh. I love HelloFresh. If you're somebody that's always on the go, they're a great option to eat healthy food. That's always a really, really fresh food, and they're usually dishes that you can create in like 30 minutes, so I love using them. So the first thing I see here is an eye mask. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4-pack? It's a 5-pack. It's a 5-pack of eye masks. Let's see what it says in here. Black hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid is your under eye area puffy or swollen. Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. And this one retails for $29. Oh, okay, so everybody got that one. Then the next thing that we got here is the Ahava Hydration Hand Cream. And I've heard really good things about this one. This one is an enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. This rich, creamy mask softens. Oh wait, no, it's not a hand cream. It's a cream mask. Okay, so it's a creamy mask that softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. This one retails for $33. I love trying out masks because my skin is really dry, so I can always use an extra mask. And then the other one that everybody got is by Thrive Cosmetics. I am so excited about this one because I've been wanting to try out Thrive Cosmetics, but they are pricey, so I haven't been able to yet. And it says Thrive Cosmetics. It's the Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. It's infused with macadamia and meadowfoam oil. The silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes, and this one retails for $24. Okay, so it looks to be like it says, like a bit of a highlighter, so that's pretty cool. Probably will be getting a lot of use for this. I'm actually gonna try it out. I want to see what it looks like on the eyes. I don't have any inner corner highlight, so let's see. Ooh, I like this. Alright, so moving on to the rest of the box. The next one I see in here is by Mary C for Anthropology Beauty, and it's the Coconut Sugar Seaweed Body Cream. And this one was an option. You could either get this one or the essential oil set, which I don't really care for, and this one was $24, and it's supposed to be enriched with sea whip extract, sea silt, and dead sea salt to protect, nourish, and hydrate the skin. The next item I see in here is by Pure, and it's the Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. This one says create endless looks with the 9 Well eyeshadow palette. It has 4 velvety matte shades and 5 shimmer shades to complement any eye color or skin tone, and it retails for $36. That's expensive. So this is what the outside looks like, and these are the shades that come on the inside. Ooh, they're pretty nice shades. They're all very warm tone shades. So that is what some of the shades look like right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Not bad. I'm excited to try this one out. I love eyeshadows, so whenever things come with eyeshadows, I get so excited. That one was an option along with that roller that I had shown you guys earlier. It was either one of the two or socks, and I chose both. Then the next product that I see in here is by Moroccan Gold Series, and it's a treatment mask. It's an intense care for dry and damaged hair. And when I saw this one as an option, I knew that I had to have it because I love hair masks, and my hair is treated. It gets straightened, it gets blow dried. It smells pretty nice too, so we'll see how this one works out. Seal split ends, strengthen hair, and make your tresses more manageable with this fortifying blend of organ oil and keratin components, and it retails for $49. So wow, that's expensive. So I'm excited to see how this one will work with my hair. And this one was an option, or some gloves, and I chose this one, and it's sulfate free. When you have colored hair, it's good to look for sulfate free because that will keep the color longer on your hair. So I'm always excited to see sulfate free on hair products. Then this one I'm super excited about, and it's by PitucaBeauty, and it's their Amuse Bouge lipstick in meringue, and this one's a high impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear, and this one retails for $26. And I've been wanting to try a PitucaBeauty lipstick forever and just haven't been able to because of the prices. Oh my goodness, that's such a pretty shade. Ooh, I'm excited to wear this one. And I've heard amazing things about their formula. I've heard amazing things about the staying power, and like I said, I've been wanting to try them for a little long time, so I'm excited to be having this now. Yay! Thank you, FabFitFun, again. Moving on, the next item that I have here is by Halston. Oh yeah. Okay, so this one here was another option, and I picked it up, and it was either this one, a necklace, or the Oribe dry shampoo. I added the Oribe dry shampoo for an extra $10, and this one came in the box. It's supposed to be to organize your jewelry for when you travel. So you put some like earrings here, whatever else there, comes with a little zipper. And then for like your necklaces and other stuff here. So I thought it was super cool for traveling. I don't travel a lot, but I figured it'd be good to have for when I do travel. And it says that it's a jewelry portfolio. Keep your jewelry tangle free. This large zip around portfolio has 3 organizational sections to fit rings, bracelets, necklaces, and more, and it retails for $48. I like that it's nice and slim, so it won't take up a lot of space. You just put it at the bottom, I'll just put it on top. One of the worst things when you travel is necklaces. When they get tangled, it's the worst. So that should solve all problems. And then last but not least is this thing right here. But you can get 2 different colors. You can get them either in this one or like a natural ivory. I picked the gray ivory, and this one's a cozy up with a woven throw, which features a stripe design and cool fringe detailing, and it's $49. I thought it was gonna be a scarf, so I guess it's not a scarf. What is it? Like a blanket? Oh, okay. So it's a throw. That's what it says, right? Yeah. Okay. It's nice and soft. I always like getting blankets because I get cold all the time. Summer, winter, fall, spring, whatever. I'm always cold. So having an extra blanket can't hurt anybody. So that's exciting. All right, and the total value for this month is from $290 to $335, and you only pay $49.99 for the box. That's amazing. You get to try out a lot of amazing products such as the Hava, the Pure, PitucaBeauty, Oribe. I mean, this is just a really good box to just try out a bunch of different things, and the fact that you can customize it to whatever it is that your liking is, that's amazing too. Or you can even add some other items for $10. I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, like the Oribe, I got it for $10. The regular price is $44. So honestly, this box is one of my favorites along BoxyCharm. I love both of them. Those are the ones I get all the time, and I'm gonna continue to get them for next year as well. And yeah, so let me know in the comments below what you guys got, or what you guys are excited to pick up, or if you guys will be signing up for the box, or just let me know what you thought about what I received. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.